Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of unexplained aerial phenomena. A new team, led by renowned astrophysicist Avi Loeb from Harvard University, has been assembled with a mission to scientifically investigate these mysterious occurrences in the sky, space, and even underwater. This initiative, backed by the White House, aims to bring more transparency and understanding to these enigmatic events. The team is a diverse group of experts from various fields, including data science, physics, biology, and psychology. This multidisciplinary approach is intended to provide a comprehensive perspective in studying these phenomena with scientific rigor. The team emphasizes the importance of collecting and analyzing data objectively, steering clear of speculation and unsubstantiated conclusions. Devesh Nandal, a team member, highlights the necessity of a physics and data-driven approach to these studies. Studying unexplained phenomena presents a significant challenge. It requires access to reliable data and collaboration with responsible agencies. However, it also offers thrilling opportunities for new discoveries that could expand our understanding of the universe. Some scientists believe that such research might unveil new insights into the physical laws governing our cosmos. The current efforts aim to deepen our comprehension of these unexplained phenomena through meticulous scientific research. Despite the challenges, the team's varied expertise provides a solid foundation for making tangible progress in this mysterious field. Cooperation between scientists and government entities could help broaden the horizons of human knowledge. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to subscribe to Science Hub for more captivating science content.